Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marana YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about checks to be done before starting a centrifugal pump. So what are the checks that we need to do be done before starting a centrifugal pump? Okay. Before starting the pump, we have to check whether any maintenance work is carrying out on the pump. We have to make sure that if it is completed, then be clear that job has been done clearly and tested the pump working. Okay, we have to make sure that this is a safe working practice. We have to follow this. We have to check whether any maintenance work is carrying out on the pump. If it is completed, we have to be clear that the job has been done clearly and tested the pump working. According to the regulation under ISM, International Safety Management, the operation manual of the particular ship provides you necessary checklist. Okay, the operation manual of the working pump manual will give necessary information about the checklist and all. So some of the points you need to be checked before starting pump are. Okay, you have to understand that before starting a pump, you have to check whether any maintenance work is carrying out on the pump. If it is completed, then we can be clear that job is done. You must ensure that the job is done clearly and the tested that the pump is working good. Okay, according to regulation under the ISM, operation manual of particular ship provides you with the necessary checklist. So points to be checked before starting the pump are: make sure that discharge valve is slightly in open condition. It is an important step because as these pumps are lack high suction rate, you have to make sure that discharge valve is slightly open condition. Discharge valve is slightly in open condition. This is an important step because these pumps are lack high suction rate. Okay, turn the pump shaft by hand and make sure that pump runs smoothly. You have to turn the pump shaft by hand and make sure that pump turns smoothly. Check the coupling for drive and driven shaft to run smoothly so that without any unsteady rotation. Okay, check the coupling of the drive and driven shaft to rotate smooth without any unsteady rotation. Now open the suction valve and start the pump. Check the current, pressure and visible leakage and unusual sound. Now open suction valve and start the pump. Then check the current, pressure and visible leakage and unusual sound. If all looks okay, then open discharge valve fully and continue the running of pump. If all looks okay, then open discharge valve and fully continue to running the pump. Okay, you have to first make sure that discharge valve is slightly open because it is important because these pumps are lack of high suction rate. And turn the pump shaft by hand and make sure that the pump turns smoothly. Check the coupling for the drive and driven shaft to rotate smooth without any unsteady rotation. Now you open the suction valve and start the pump and check the current, pressure, any visible leakage, unusual sound also. If all looks okay, then open discharge valve fully and continue to the running of pump. Thank you.